What's good, my people? I'm back again with another potential financial mistake. Literally every video you see, or every other video you see, 1 in 3 videos you see is probably a financial mistake I've made. And I make these videos to kind of talk about them and try to convince myself that it's not a financial mistake. So you know what you're here for. Let's get straight into it. This pair I really liked when I saw the teaser pictures, and yeah, I really like it now. So we'll look at the box quickly, what it says. Air Jordan 4 Retro. It's black, fire red, deep royal blue, which are some good colors. Size 11, UK 10. Pause it if you want to read the rest. And yeah, we've got a retro style throwback face box, if you can see it clearly. I think that picks it up a bit more on the camera. Good box, man. I don't like talking about boxes because usually people say don't talk about the box, but when it's a box like this, you kind of gotta. So we've got the Jordan and the Flight logo in the inside of the lid, and then let's get straight into these pairs. So they literally came wrapped like doner kebabs. I had to kind of unwrap them first to do the on foot, and now I've badly wrapped them, so I definitely shouldn't work in a doner kebab shop. But yeah, we've got that Jordan 4, also known as Jordan 4 Rare Air. What a pair, man. What a pair. So I'll run through all the colors, etc., and then we'll talk about it a bit. So we've got that standard Jordan 4 sole. This time it's got a few different colors on it. Usually it's got 2 colors, 3 colors. Here we've got grey, we've got like sail / off-white. We've got the deep royal blue, which to me, I'll be honest, looks quite purple. Deep royal blue there, and then we've got the red on the front and the back. Midsole follows in that same sort of fashion with a bunch of colors. So as you can see, we've got the red, and where the air bubble is, it's got the sail / off-white. And then we've got the grey. Above that we've got black, and then that blue. I'll be honest, it goes well, man. It really looks good. Then above that we've got nubuck. This shoe's set up a bit different to a lot of them, so we've literally got the nubuck going from the back all the way around, toe box around basically to this side, and then we've got the nubuck again. So I've got to spin it around to show everyone. Then around the front, mud guard, toe guard, it's all suede, kind of giving that retro colorway to everyone. Kind of a bit greyish off black. And then we have, of course, black on this side, all the colors. It doesn't have purple on this side, or blue, but it's alright. Then above the nubuck, there's more nubuck by the wings. Obviously the wings are always plastic. Then we've got the mesh that Jordan 4s always have, and then we've got the next to the mesh and the laces as the Jordans always do. I don't actually know the name of this thing. It's in red, and then we've got obviously the other wing on that side, and then mesh, just normal black mesh on the tongue. The whole tongue has that black mesh if you can see it properly, and then more nubuck towards the top. So I've already checked what type of pair there is, or what type of pair these are. Unfortunately, it's just a normal, boring white letter pair. So I'll get into that in just a minute. It did come upside down. I'll be honest, I think that's them trying to be cool, and all this stuff with the reverse swoosh and upside down and stuff. It's not really cool or anything fancy or funky to me. It's just an upside down sticker. Yeah, on the inside, well, of course they come with the hang tag. Some people keep on, I will not. And then obviously on the inside we've got that blue with the Rare Air logo there, and then we've got grey on the tongue, and then that upside down Air Jordan tab just stitched in there. Then obviously we've got the sizing tag on the inside, and the back we've got the plastic in that blue color with the gray Nike Air. So a lot of colors on this shoe. I really like this pair a lot. I'm more happier that I got this pair for under retail. So it was about £130, £133, £134, which is about $150 to $160 or bucks, however you want to say it. But yeah, I really do like the concept of these. These are way better than the Rare Air 3s. So yeah, 10 times better. Jordan 4s, I'll be honest, I don't have many pairs, but it is definitely a pair that's growing on me. My first pair was the Military Blues, which was the 2012 release, showing my age. But yeah, I really like this colorway. It gives me a kind of like Toronto Raptors type of vibe, which is also always good or nice on a shoe. It says royal blue. This looks more of a purple to me, but yeah, very wearable. Black tracksuit, black jeans, black hoodie. These on the bottom, you cannot go wrong. I don't have too much more to waffle on about these, apart from how much I like them. So I'll probably just convince myself it's not a financial mistake, because I really like them. But yeah, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Check out all the other content, all the other videos. Make sure you spam the likes and the hypes, please, my people. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video, and most importantly, take care.
Thank you.